Samsung's Galaxy Active series, and increasingly ruggedized wearables, have helped establish the company's prowess as the only true champion for more active, or careless, mobile consumers. Starting with the Galaxy S4 Active, Samsung began offering IP67 waterproofing, years before it was a flagship standard, and rugged design, which has now expanded to military standard certifications and drop tests, extreme temperatures, and IP68 waterproofing. Year after year these active variants have been released shortly after Samsung's Galaxy flagship, often tweaking small aspects of inner hardware to match the outer theme. This year we see arguably the Android phone of the year, the Galaxy S8, step up 1000 mAh in battery size, and gain all the rugged military-grade hardware to produce the Galaxy S8 Active. But in a world where IP67 is the norm for flagship phones, some even offer shatterproof displays. Is the Active series still needed? Let's examine what it brings to the table. In the box. Galaxy S8 Active. USB-A to USB-C adapter, female to male. Micro USB to USB-C adapter, female to male. USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Adaptive fast charging wall plug. Warranty and getting started guide. Bixby's also made some strides since its debut, which was also on the Galaxy S8. We're now finally able to speak to Bixby via the dedicated button, doing so in a walkie-talkie-esque hold-the-button fashion, as opposed to other assistants which only require a single long press. But then again, no other assistant has its own dedicated button. You can also call up Bixby with the hot phrase "Hi Bixby" and use it to manipulate most any aspect of your device. We're glad to finally have a more complete Bixby on the S8 Active since we, and everyone else, missed it at launch for the S8. All works pretty well with Samsung's assistant, Sorry, Butler, at last providing us with useful and mostly accurate control over the phone, just using our voice, as Samsung promised. You can of course tell Bixby to set an alarm or reminder, turn off Wi-Fi or another setting, or ask general information questions. Such commands have become status quo with voice assistants. But this button-beckon Butler uses its tailored integration to the fullest, endeavoring to make using your phone as close to a hands-free experience as possible. While not perfect, in need of a bit of maturation and fine-tuning, especially with word recognition, Bixby gets pretty darn close, ultimately besting Google Assistant and Siri in the level of engagement between the assistant and the device running it.